issued a mayday call.
Uh-oh.
Eagle ears at the Coast Guard base nearby hear the call and start the response. Within moments of
United States Coast Guard from Atlantic City.
turning. One of those aircraft responding is the highly recognizable Eurocopter MH-65
Dauphin.
a gloss orange streak racing toward danger, rescue, or even both. One look at an airborne Dolphin shows what the Coasties are all about. The range recovery air sea rescue helicopter, replacing the Sikorsky Today's Helo crew consists of 4 crucial roles. 2 pilots up front, with a flight mechanic and rescue swimmer in the aft cabin. They are today. Our pilot is Lieutenant Sneed, is Petty Officer Gundy, and the rescue swimmer is Petty Officer Plasha, who also happens to be an Ocean City native and a former lifeguard here.
Yay! Ocean City, yo, wow!
Coast Guard is unique in the respect that its maintenance personnel also fly in uniform and conduct crucial roles during operational missions. Our demo will kick off with a harness deployment of the rescue swimmer. This deployment is used to lower the swimmer in a controlled manner to a moving vessel or a survivor in open water.
Let me tell you,
The crew conducts standard
the helicopter can be 2 options. If the rescue swimmer is okay,
in 2007, the MH
it's okay, like the simulation or something, they use a hook. If the swimmer needs help and it's about to die, like in rare occasion, they use a basket to lower.
Now also included reduction in avionics, simulation management. Next, you might witness a basket handling a simulated survivor. Now, I've been told that we got a surprise, and they're about 4 minutes out right now. All right, Air Boss Greg Whitford telling me they're 3 miles out. And at the speed that this helicopter can haul the freight, it won't be long before it's here. That's for sure. To go and save a life. And of course,
Yay! From the left.
The Helo must regularly fly in formation with a moving vessel in distress, which can be rocking in heavy seas up to 30 feet or more. It makes it very tricky to say the least. The hardest part about flying this helicopter? What do you know?
Yay! The E-model! Yay!
When danger calls, these are the people that answer. Hometown heroes. Now they're out of Coast briefed and informed so that they can complete the mission.
Da-da-da. I was singing the Mission Impossible action theme.
And you're hovering, you are burning maximum fuel right there. And time is...
Why would I the same chopper? The MH-65E Dauphin helicopter was there, so I sung the Mission Impossible anthem because that literally does it. Because I thought the video was getting cool, and it's now getting cooler and cooler. You supports the family of Milton.
So on your way back, I want you to wave your hat, your towel, whatever it is that you got, and let the Coast Guard know just how much you appreciate it.
I don't have a hat. I forgot to bring my hat, but I'm going to bring something else. This phone. This camcorder. There it is. He's coming back right now.
Here they come, ladies and gentlemen. The Coast Guard, they're taking a look out there on the beach to see all of you Airshow fans and beach goers here today. They should be back by Wednesday. And they're going to get a little bit of an extended tour here. But you know what? That's okay. How often do they get to fly down the beach on an airshow? Well, probably not often. We can cut them a little slack. We do have time. In the meantime, enjoy the hero music. All right.
That is not the hero music. I'm sorry, but that's not the hero music. The hero music is the classical music when the Thunderbirds make a bottom-up pass on the Delta. You understand. But that's not it. I think I'm going to sing my own anthem. Hello, bird.
Our crew today is Lieutenant Pilot, Lieutenant Wood, co-pilot. Our mechanic is Petty Officer Gundy. Our rescue swimmer, our local.
Quack, 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 quack.
And the former lifeguard. So he's been on the real end of that Baywatch. You know, that series was just total popcorn. I'm going to give you a script. And I want you to try this, see if I'm right or not. If you want to make Baywatch make more sense than it does, turn the volume on the TV down.
I don't have a TV. Oh yeah, I have a TV, but I forgot to bring it here. That's a regular joke, right?
All right, now they got it slow, way down. Come on down here, guys. When the helicopter is stopped, they have no more translational lift.
Made a
Moving
mistake.
forward through the air generates free lift, which means that the pilot can back
Queens.
on the tower. When you back off on the tower, you're saving fuel. And when you're saving fuel, that means that you can save the time on target. It all comes down to time, distance, and fuel.
And dun, dun, da, 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 da. I'm going to sing the Mission Impossible song, theme song from Wildwood. Dun, 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 da, 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 da. I can't see! Ah! I'm blind! What was I? Oh yeah. Ah! He crashed! He crashed on the water! He made a free fall adventures! He's going up. He's going to go up the water and is going to shout for help. And then the helicopter is going to ignore him. And then he says, no, I'm going to save my friend. And then the helicopter goes to get him to the beach. And then the helicopter chopper of the snake has two opportunities, the hook and the basket. This time it's a simulation, so it's gonna be a hook. Because it's gonna be okay, because he...
I used to work in Brooklyn and I saw the Coast Guard from Coast Guard Base Brooklyn.
Quack, quack, quack. Sorry.
You can see the rescue swimmer is hanging.
Oh, there it is. The swimmer is hanging. He's also going to free fall with his friend into the water.
The rescue swimmer, Petty Officer Flasher. Oh, look at this, they're getting lower, they're dropping down. I bet you the rescue swimmer is going to jump.
And the copter says, I already rescued him. I'm going to go. I'm going to wait until another copter goes. Bye-bye. Subscribe. And then the copter the copter realizes he needs to save him.
In the meantime,
Look over there.
Steve, Lieutenant Wood, holding that helicopter in a beautiful weather, making it look so lost and easy.
Meow. That is a really cool. Did you? Oh, that's the basket. The basket is going to lower the swimmers. It's going to lower to the water so the swimmers can get onto the basket.
Grab the whole bob, and with any degree of luck, they'll be able to hoist both of them back into the helicopter here in just a moment.
I'm a fanatic of airplanes. No, that's a boat. I'm sorry. Ah, wait, I'm blind. Wait. There it is. Now there it is. The basket to lower to go into the water, and it's going to help the two swimmers go to the helicopter. There it is. Now it's in the water, and now it's going underwater, and they need to. And now there it is, blowing up again. Ah! Oh. The basket is slipping. But it's okay because the swimmer has the scuba diving. You can see it.
Sustained serious injuries to the head, neck, spine, or limbs.
I'm going to tell you where the Coast Guard is operating. Coast Guard and Search, Atlantic City, Florida, Houston, Ellington, California, and Canada, Alaska, and many more. That's only.
Start the helicopter and take off. Every second counts when lives are at stake.
Atlantic City is for the Pacific, to rescue swimmers in the Pacific, and Florida also goes to the Pacific. Houston and Ellington is for the Gulf. The Gulf is for the Gulf Oceans. The eastern, the western side of the team has a helicopter that can rescue the same coast, but on the west side of the United States, and even has in Ellington Field. It's not from the east or the west. The Coast Guard is for the Gulf, to rescue swimmers who are alone in the water in the Gulf. Right now you're seeing the coast, Pacific coast. Atlantic coast. Dumbass. Bye! Yay!
It is my privilege that every time these men and women go out, and each of their flights is a safe flight and has a happy ending.
I hope the swimmers are okay. And we were terminated.
This rescue swimmer on the back of the jet ski. Oh, that's where the goes by.
Oh, there it is, the swimmer on the jet ski. Hello! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. United States Coast Guard and Search Atlantic. Final pass. Yeah, there it is. The photo pass is the thumbnail of this video. Bye-bye. And now he's going to go to Atlantic City, to his home base. Bye-bye. He's taking the shortcut. This video was really cool. Huh.
Introducing the last piston